So hello friends, I'm Joseph Fernandez back again. You know we had come here for the as a street Providence team, two-member team. One was in Imphal and one, that is myself, had gone to Churachandpur area. And you know what was happening in Churachandpur is that that's the valley where people are living over there, and the people over there are the firing is still continuing, and I was there in that area. But in spite of that, by the grace of God, I have managed to go to a lot of relief camps and distribute the relief material that was brought from Goa to the truck. Several relief camps we had planned during the day, and some of the relief camps we could not attend to or go to because of the firing that was taking place in Churachandpur. In spite of that, we did it, even there was rain. Many relief camps we went, we spoke to people, we met some people, and what are the difficulties we heard, and we distributed Cerelac, lactogens, and a lot of relief material that was given, which was much needed. We saw the people, how the people are living over there. They eat 2 times a meal, just dal and rice, and beyond that, just see what happens to the lactating mothers that are there. Some of the mothers are unable to feed the babies, so we provided them lactogens, we gave them Cerelac, and that's how the days went on. Nearly 4-5 days I was in Churachandpur, and different areas that I went over there, people gave a good welcome and thanked Street Providence for coming to Churachandpur and helping them with the relief material. And after living over there in Churachandpur, it was a very difficult time to cross the borders. But in spite of that, by the grace of God, I managed to cross the border and I'm here. So now I'm going to go to Imphal. I've just crossed the border Churachandpur with the heavy security border checkpost, and I managed to cross, and now I'm back in the Imphal and will be traveling in a day or two back to Goa. So thank you friends for all your support, and this was our trip that we have assured that people of Manipur that the Street Providence will be there in Manipur to help the people over there. So thank you, do continue to help us. God bless you all.